What a degree of comparison. Adjectives are of 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. What is the positive degree? It denotes the mere existence of quality. What the quality is? It shows that quality only. It is used when no comparison is made. When there is no comparison, when you are talking about a one person, or when you are giving the quality, 2 persons are there but they have the same quality of the same level of quality or ability, then we use positive. He is as good as his uncle. He is as intelligent as another. He is as intelligent as Shyam. He is as intelligent as Ram. Whatsoever. So intelligence is the same in 2 boys. So it is as intelligent. It's just a mere quality. It's expressing, and comparison is not there. Both are equal. When equality is there, we use positive degree. See, David is a rich man. It is a tall building. Apple is sweet to taste. Now, comparative degree, when comparison is there. So, when 2 persons are there having the same quality and we are comparing who is better or who is just little bit worse than the former one. So, when comparison is there, we use comparative degree. So, they compare 2 persons or things having the same quality. It denotes the existence of higher degree of the quality than the positive. See, if the quality is negative, it shows the higher degree. If the quality is positive, it shows the higher degree than the positive degree. Cancer is more dreadful than cholera. This building is taller than any other building. Apple is sweeter than pear. So you are seeing, we are qualifying same qualities. They are dreadful. Both are dreadful. Cancer is also dreadful. Cholera is also dreadful. But cancer is more dreadful than cholera. And building, both the buildings are tall, but this building is taller than any other building. And apple and pear both are sweet, but apple is sweeter than pear. Now, superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when more than 2 persons or things are compared. And you will have to find out the best one. It denotes the existence of the highest degree of the quality. Highest degree, superlative degree. No comparison. That is the fact. So no comparison is there. So you are just giving the verdict. Okay, this is the quality of the person. He is the best. He is the most intelligent person. So it singles one from all the rest. For example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. This is the tallest building of the area. See, tallest building in the world. Continuously we are finding new construction. So in this area, this is the tallest building. Apple is the sweetest fruit. Now this is confirmed. The sweetest fruit, which is apple, is the sweetest fruit. Apple is with some fruits which are less sweeter than apple. So among those fruits, apple is the sweetest fruit, right? So now how you can make all this degree in a passage also. In writing stories, how will you use these degrees? Doril is kind, right? Positive degree. She is kinder than Rosie. See, kinder is the second form or comparative form of kind. No, she is the kindest of all. No, she is the kindest of all. No other girl, no other people are as kind as she in this family. So this is the superlative verdict, final. She is the kindest of all. Formation of degrees. How do we form degrees? By adding ER and EST. For example, in positive, if the word is bright, black, bold, so in comparative, we will write brighter. See, bright, only ER, black, clear, blacker, and bold, bolder. So in this way we create the degrees. We make comparative forms. Now how to make superlative? We will have to add est. This is for comparative, this is for superlative. See, est, brightest, this is blackest, and this is boldest. So bright, brighter, brightest. Black, blacker, blackest. Bold, bolder, boldest. You will have to learn the adjective in this way. There are many adjectives. There is a list of adjectives in your grammar book. It's not possible to show you all the adjectives. Go through your grammar book, learn the adjectives, and in this way, bright, brighter, brightest, black, blacker, blackest, bold, bolder, boldest. So if you learn like this, just as you learn your table, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. In this way, you will have to learn all these things. Now I'm adding R and ST. Positive word is brave, fine, large. So comparative will be, this is for comparative, this is for superlative. So here braver, finer, larger. Here superlative, bravest, finest, and largest. So how will you learn? Brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, large, larger, largest. In this way you need to learn. Then by deleting the final Y and adding IER and IEST. IER for comparative and IEST for superlative. How? Costly, costlier, costliest. This is positive, this is comparative, and this is superlative. Dry, drier, driest. By doubling the final consonants. Big is here, this is consonant. So bigger and biggest. This is positive, this is comparative, and this is superlative. See, we have doubled the final consonants. Here G is the final consonant. Now thin, thinner, thinnest. See, we have doubled the consonant. Now by using more and most. How? By using more and most. Active, more active, most active. This is positive, this is comparative, and this is superlative. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now some adjectives do not follow any of the rules explained earlier. They are compared irregularly. Here are the different forms of such adjectives. How? See. You won't find EREST, you won't find IER. It's totally new, completely new. Bad or evil, comparative will be worse, superlative will be worst. Good, comparative will be better, and superlative will be best. Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, oldest. Now, transformation of degrees. It's very important. You will have to learn this because everywhere, whenever you need to write something in grammar, this is very important. First you know adjectives, then you know degree of comparison. Now you will have to know how you can transform a degree. See, very few countries in the world are as large as. Wherever you will get as, this is always positive. This is a clue. Okay? In positive degree you will find as or as. Now, in comparative, you will always find this then. Wherever you get this then, THAN, this is comparative. Always remember. And here, the. Wherever you get the, you will have to understand this is the superlative degree. And you will have to use these words when you are doing transformation of degrees. Very few countries in the world are as large as China. See, China is larger than most other countries. Why most other countries? Because very few countries in the world are as large as China, but there are some countries which are larger also. So China is larger than most other countries, right? China is one of the largest countries in the world. So China is not the largest country, it is one of the largest countries in the world. Next, no other man was as strong as Hercules. So Hercules was stronger than any other man, and Hercules was the strongest man in the world. Here we are not writing was one of the strongest man, because he was declared the strongest man. So no other man, or there it was very few, right? Here stronger than any other, they are most other, earlier slide. And here the strongest, they are one of the. So try to understand, these are the changes and you will have to be very careful. This is the rule you will have to follow everywhere. See? So that is the positive, this is comparative, and it is superlative. Now there are some exercises, you will have to go through that. He is, now I have given you the clue. When this then is here, that means you will have to change it into, complete the following sentence using the appropriate form of the adjectives given in the brackets. Then is there, so this, which word will be here? It will be richer. That means comparative, you will have to change it into comparative. The brides were much, now again then is here, younger. He is too dash, to be taught, he is too intelligent to be taught. Here this will be younger and this will be intelligent. Right? Now, he is, again, then is here. So this is comparative, cleverer, answer is given there. When the old man became stronger, she began to move about. Now, he is much better now. So this is cleverer. He is cleverer than thought him to be when the old one becomes strong. Right? He is much better. Better is again comparative. Then the offer was too good to be true. He fishes with, now, then is here greater. Then Shakespeare is the is here, so greatest. The pain was, much is, then is here, so more, much more, most, so more. The thing of all was that his son was rude to him, the bad thing only, the bad thing. The bad thing of all was that, see, of all is here, the is here, so this will be worst. The worst thing, because with the, we know this is the superlative degree. Jane was the good, the two is here, the best player of the two. Now he is richer than, see, it is all written as I told you. Answer is given. Now there is one more other exercise. You will have to change it into two different degrees of comparison. Shakespeare is the most famous of all writers in English. This is what? This is the superlative. You will have to change it into comparative and positive. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Here see, more is here and then is here. So this is comparative and you will have to change it into positive and superlative. I earn as much money as Ram. Only two are there. That means only comparative will be there. China is larger than India. This is larger. That means comparative is here. You will have to change into positive and superlative. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Superlative is here because the is there. Superlative is here. You will have to change it into positive and comparative. Air is lighter than water. Then this is comparative. Change it into positive and superlative. I am taller than my brother. Again, you will have to write positive, right? Because two are only there, two positive. Superlative degree will not be here. Shyam is the strongest boy in the class. So here the superlative is here, the positive and comparative. Answers are given, but you will have to do it by your own and then check it with the answer sheet. So answers are here. So what have you learnt? We have learnt about degree of comparison. What are the degrees? What are the words? How can you form the different words in the degree of comparison? And how can we transform the sentences? So in this class we come to an end and learn it. Just go through it, revise it and be perfect in this. Thank you.